What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in halftime of the Monday night game, 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. One break for you tonight. 10-box case break of the 2012 Playbook Football. Gonna be 32 names, one team per spot. We'll copy that list and randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results, paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Here is the roster for tonight. And here is the case for tonight. Alright, here we go. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Alright, box number 1 up first. For the Niners, Michael James, rookie pitch. That one going to Michael M. 8 out of 75. For the Jets, Quentin Coples, rookie auto. 105 out of 140. Going to John W. Rookie booklet going to the Texans. DeVere Posey, the game. Texans going to John, number to 42 out of 199. And a short print rookie booklet, 1 out of 49. Going to the Browns, Brandon Whedon. That one going to Gary. For the Chiefs, Cyrus Gray, rookie auto, 116 out of 140. Going to Ben. Rookie auto for the Bucks, Levante David. That one going to John W, 94 out of 140. Rookie booklet for the Rams, Chris Givens, Big 4. That one going to Shelley, numbered 29 out of 199. And a green parallel rookie booklet going to the Ravens, Bernard Pierce, on card auto. Some real nice looking patches. Congratulations to Johnny N. This one a short print, 12 out of 25. Now first for the Jets, LaDainian Tomlinson patch. Going to John. Last one made, 49 out of 49. For the Cowboys, James Hanna, rookie auto. That one going to Casey, 36 out of 140. Redemption. Rookies booklet silver. I'm going to Dolphins quarterback Ryan Tannehill. And that one going to Dave D. Congratulations, Dave. And multiplayer booklet, 69 out of 99. The Heisman winners, it'll go to the left, so Sam Bradford. So Shelley, you're getting this one. You have a Bradford, Tebow, Carson Palmer, Flutie, Eddie George, Barry Sanders, and Marcus Allen. And this one, oh yeah, again, numbered 69 out of 99. And looks like there's a little bit of extra on the edge there. For the Bears, Shea McClellan, rookie auto, going to John, numbered 41 out of 140. Fabled Fabrics for the Chiefs, Marcus Allen. It's pretty cool looking. That one going to Ben. Super short print, 6 out of 10. Or 8 out of 10, excuse me. The rookie signatures gold. I believe Michael Barakers is with the Bucks. We'll double check. Make sure to include it in the scans. If I'm correct, the Bucks would go to John. Let's grab a one touch for this one. For the Redskins, RG3. Rookie on card auto. 3-color swagger patch. Redskins going to Vincent B tonight. Congratulations, Vincent. This one, red parallel, numbered 82 out of 99. Very cool. First for the Dolphins, Jonathan Martin, rookie auto, going to Dave, numbered 43 out of 49. For the Packers, Casey Hayward, a rookie auto. That one going to Eric, numbered 61 out of 140. Rookie booklet for the Ravens, Bernard Pierce, Temple patch. Ravens going to Johnny N, numbered 13 out of 199. And another rookie booklet. This one going to the Titans, Kendall Wright, 85 out of 149. Very nice. That one going to Dave. It's halfway mark, 5 down, 5 to go. For the Colts, Chris Adams, rookie auto. That one going to Gary, numbered 138 out of 140. We'll grab a one touch for that one. For the Saints, green parallel autograph, Drew Brees. Saints going to Gary B. Super short print, 3 out of 5. Congratulations, Gary. redemption. Rookie Playbook Materials Signature Prime die cut 2, going to Giants receiver Ruben Randall. Giants going to Jason H. Congratulations, Jason. And another rookie booklet. This one going to the Vikings, Jarius Wright. So Eric P. He'll be getting this one. 2-color classic pitch. For the Bengals, Vontaze Burfict rookie auto. Bengals going to Ben, 23 out of 140. Giants, excuse me, rookie auto Adrian Robinson. Going to Jason H, 59 out of 140. Red rookie booklet. Going to the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. Frame with Jan Cardoto. Going to John, numbered 63 out of 99. And another rookie booklet. This one going to the Colts, Dwayne Allen, Mackey Award. Jersey pitch, Colts going to Gary, numbered 137 out of 199. Now first we have a redemption, a rookie signature gold, Derek Wolfe. He's with the Bears, or was with the Bears, so that one will go to John W. Ravens, a rookie jumbo patch of Bernard Pierce, going to Johnny, numbered 2 out of 75. Rookie autograph for the Cowboys, Tyrone Crawford. That one going to Casey, numbered 93 out of 140. And a rookie booklet, Michael James for the Niners, 11 out of 149. Going to Michael M. That's a cool looking one. Congratulations, Michael. And down to 2 boxes to go. For the Jets, Santonio Holmes autograph. That one going to John, numbered 42 out of 49. Rookie auto for the Bengals, Orson Charles, going to Ben, numbered 92 out of 140. Rookie booklet. Roll Tide, hold 2 color patches for Trent Richardson. Very cool. Rounds going to Gary B, numbered 28 out of 49. And a blue rookie booklet for the Niners, AJ Jenkins. On-card auto Niners patch. Going to Michael M, 35 out of 99. And the last box for tonight. First for the Browns, Travis Benjamin rookie auto. Going to Gary, 44 out of 140. Fabled Fabrics patch for the Rams, Kurt Warner. Going to Shelley, 39 out of 49. Blue rookie booklet going to the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey, Bear Down patch. That one going to John W, 34 out of 99. And a red booklet going to the Niners, AJ Jenkins, Balance patch with the on-card auto going to Michael M, 50 out of 99. And that'll do it for the Monday night break. We're back at it tomorrow with the 7-box football break. Got a few spots left, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.